Hello guys, welcome to HanksPrecisionGunParts.com. What I want to show you right now is a replacement breech plug for the CVA, Acura, the Wolf, and the Optima. Now, this replacement plug uses a large rifle Magnum primer with the DIS shell primer modules. I've got a video on the website there that shows you these primer modules and how they work, but I'm going to go over them again with you real quick and demonstrate it with this CVA Acura rifle. So when you buy the CVA Acura, it comes with a breech plug in it that's designed for a 209 shotgun primer. Now, everybody knows now that the 209 shotgun primers are not the best ignition source out there for these guns, for muzzle loaders in general, period. So I designed and developed this breech plug to be a direct replacement for these muzzle loaders, and there may be a few others that this plug will fit that I don't know of yet, and when there is, I'll update the website and let you know. So what you're going to do is take a CVA Acura, Wolf, or an Optima and just simply pull out the factory breech plug, install the Hanks Precision Gun Parts replacement breech plug for the CVA, Acura, Wolf, and Optima. You're going to prime your 25 primer modules, or however many primer modules you decide you want to purchase, and they screw right into the breech plug. This is a 100% leak-free ignition. They won't get wet if it rains on you. You can sit out in the rain all day. And now what you're going to want to do is tighten this all the way up, and it's ready to now fire or load. So now you're going to load the gun. Okay, do your loading procedure, and then it's ready to fire. So you'd pull your hammer back, and now you're ready. So that is the direct replacement plug for these three model guns from CVA, the Acura, the Wolf, and the Optima. I'm still not recommending that you shoot smokeless powder from these, but if you're shooting black horn or pellets or black powder or anything else, you're going to get a much better ignition source, much more reliable, more velocity, and you can sit out in the rain all day and you don't have to worry about your gun going off at the end of the day. When that deer finally walks in and you make your shot, your gun's going to work. So get you one of these ignition systems for your CVA, Acura, Wolf, and Optima, available here at HanksPrecisionGunParts.com.